What's the meaning of chimney sweep? Chimney sweep. Chimney sweep.
Chimney sweep. Chimney sweep. A chimney sweep is a person who specializes in cleaning and maintaining chimneys. This involves removing soot, debris, and other obstructions from the chimney flue, which can improve the safety, efficiency, and air quality of a heating system. The result of a chimney sweep's work is a clean chimney that is less likely to experience problems like fires, smoke damage, or carbon monoxide poisoning. It is an important service for anyone who uses a fireplace, wood stove, or other type of solid fuel heating appliance in their home.